So when you're asked to solve systems of 3 equations, 3 unknowns, you've got to spend a lot of time organizing yourself. So you have one equation, second equation, third equation. Write these down. First equation is 3x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 11. Second equation is 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 4. Third equation is 5x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to negative 1. We're going to eliminate the same variable twice in 2 separate pairings of these equations. Now the question is, do we want to eliminate the x variable twice, the y variable twice, or the z variable twice? One way to help you make that decision would be to find the lowest common multiple between all 3 of these coefficients. So 2 and 3 do not divide into 5. 2 divides into 10, but 3 doesn't. 3 divides into 15, but 2 doesn't. I'm thinking 30 is going to be the lowest common multiple for these 3. Okay, for 1, 2, and 3, bless you, 6 is the lowest common multiple. And for 3, 4, and 5, I think 70? No. 60, yeah, 60. 60 is the lowest common multiple. So, if you just go by lowest common multiple, the 6 is the smallest, so it's suggesting you eliminate the y variable twice. Another thing to look for, I always try to eliminate the variable that has a 1 or negative 1 in front of it, because it makes it easier to change it into numbers I need it to be. So I'm going to eliminate the y. Okay. Now to do that, I'm going to have to pair up equation 2 with equation 1. I'm also going to have to pair up equation 2 with equation 3. Okay, so this is equation 3 here. Now, the idea is when I'm pairing up equations 1 and 2, I'm working with y coefficients of 2 and negative 1. So to eliminate the y variable, just these 2 equations, I need to make them 2y and negative 2y. To change this negative 1 into a negative 2, I'd have to multiply the second equation by 2. So it's 2 times equation 2. So 2 times 2x is 4. 2 times negative y is negative 2y. 2 times 3z is 6z. And 2 times 4 is 8. Since there's no instructions to the left of equation 1, you keep it the same. 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 11. Now when you add down, you get 7x. This goes to 0. This goes to 10z. And this goes to 19. This is your first equation in terms of 2 variables, x and z. Now eliminate y again. You have negative 1 and negative 3. You need to change this negative 1 into positive 3. So you multiply negative 3 times the second equation. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3y. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9z. And negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. No instructions means you just copy it. 5x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to negative 1. Now when you add down, you're combining like terms, and you get negative x. This goes to 0. And you get negative 4z. And this is negative 13. This is your second equation in terms of x and z. So now your job is to figure out, do you want to eliminate the x variable by making these 7x and negative 7x, or do you want to eliminate the z variable, making them 20z and negative 20z? Well, it's up to you, honestly. You'd have to change both equations to eliminate the z, but you only have to change one equation to eliminate x. So I'm going to choose to eliminate x, so I only have to change one equation. And that's going to be 7 times the second equation. So it's 7 times equation number 2. Draw my line. 7 times this is -7x. 7 times this is -28z.